Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Pretty Girl Investor, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 4 of the best ways to make money online in 2025. Before we jump into this video, hit that like and subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can get the latest tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. So the first way to make money online is selling digital products. Now, you've probably heard people talk about selling digital products before, but y'all, this is a game changer. I'm going to show you the website that took me from making only a couple $100s a month to thousands of dollars a month. And I mean, it was just with this one website. When I switched to this website, that is when everything changed. Before, I was trying out a couple of websites and I wasn't really generating any money for real. And I don't know if it's because I created the website myself or what it was, but once I switched over, I just used the templates that they've already had, and then that's when I started getting sales. It just started going crazy from there. The site that I am talking about is called Stan Store. Y'all, this is not a paid ad. I am not getting paid to talk about this at all. With Stan Store, you do get 2 weeks free when you join Stan, so you get to try it yourself. You don't have to pay any money to sign up, but y'all get signed up for this because they have templates that you can use. You see the templates that they have. You don't have to create your own website at all. You can just simply use their templates, and then you can scroll through and pick which template you like. I didn't have to do anything but pick a template and then upload the digital products that I created, which is so simple, and it's so easy nowadays to create a digital product, and it's free. It's free to create a digital product as well. So I'm showing you guys the Stan Store, but then I'm going to also show you all how to create a digital product. Here are some of the stuff that you can include when creating your own Stan Store. They have a mobile optimized link in bio store, an automated calendar invites and booking, community subscriptions, course builder, email list, newsletter builder, analytics on your audience, exclusive creator community access, creator strategy coaching. And this is all for only $29 a month. You really can't beat that for real. Y'all, and just to show y'all that I'm not capping, from November 13, 2024 to December 13, 2024, I made $10,000. Now this is real. These are my real analytics here. You see the bar, you see everything. Now I have a lot of work to do, y'all, but I'm just here to show y'all that this is possible. Stan Store is really the best platform that you can utilize with selling digital products. This is no cap, this is real. This is my page right here. I had to move me out the way just so y'all can see that I'm not capping. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own digital products, I make all of my digital products inside of Canva. We're inside of Canva now. Canva is absolutely free, and you can do this online as well, okay? So say if you wanted to make an ebook, just type in ebook inside of Canva, and it will pull you up a whole bunch of templates for you to choose from. And by templates, you can make these your own. You know, you don't have to use what they have, but you can use their templates to help guide you to making your own ebooks. And this goes for classes as well. This goes for presentations. This goes for whatever you have to offer. I literally make everything inside of Canva. Now, the second way to make money online is becoming a content creator. I know some people don't like to show their face, and the good thing about it is you don't have to. Some of my best pieces of content that have went viral is from me not even showing my face. So faceless content is perfect for 2025. And if you want to show your face, even better. I mean, people will get to know you. You can build a trustworthy audience, and you can grow a strong community. The first step to becoming a content creator is finding your niche. Once you find your niche, you're going to have to narrow down your niche. For example, my niche is real estate. However, when I narrow it down, my target audience is investing in real estate with little to no money. You see how I narrowed down that niche to where now I have a target audience that I'm focusing on. So once you find out what you're good at, that is your niche. And then I want you to narrow down your niche, and then that will be your target audience. So within your niche, try to find some type of pain point that you can bring out of your audience through what your niche is. Next, you'll want to build an audience by sharing valuable, entertaining, or educational content on all social media platforms. And when it comes to posting consistently, you will need to create a content calendar so that you can stay up to date with your posts, so that you can post regularly and engage with your audience. Here's a website that I use to post on all of my social media platforms. All I do is upload one post to this platform and it blasts it out to all social media platforms. Like that I personally use for my social media and content creation is called Buffer. Buffer has been great. I have tried other platforms, scheduling platforms, and nothing seemed to work for some reason. It just didn't work right. Something was wrong, but I came across Buffer, and Buffer has been the best thing. I absolutely love it. Okay, so here are the channels that Buffer integrates with: Facebook, Instagram, Mastodon, I don't know what that is, Threads, YouTube, Blue Sky, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and X. These are the main ones that I use. This is why I love it so much. So these are the main ones that I use, and all I do is I take a video, a reel that I want to post, and I upload it one time and I schedule it on all channels. So when it is time for it to post, it will blast to all social media platforms. I don't feel overworked. I don't feel overwhelmed. I don't feel tired. I'm just like, yes, Lord, this is exactly what I needed. So I wanted to share that with y'all because this will help y'all tremendously. The third way to make a lot of money online is video editing. When I tell you I cannot stand editing my own videos, I really hate it. Like, I will pay people to edit my videos, please. And it is a lot of content creators, especially business owners, people that want to grow their audience, business owners, restaurants. It's so many people that will pay people to edit their content because they don't feel like it and they don't know how to do it. So the best thing that you can do is provide a service that people don't feel like doing and that people don't know how to do. And when I tell y'all, a lot of people pay for good editing. They just want a good editor at a good price, and they will pay you to edit their videos. It's so much content out here. Just think about it. It's so much content. It's so many social media platforms, and people need help. People is out here struggling. Now, I do pay people to edit my videos as well. That's why I'm telling y'all this is a good way to make money in 2025. And I'm going to show you some of the services that I pay people through. I am on Fiverr. You guessed it. You guessed right. I am on Fiverr, and Fiverr is one of the first places I go to when I need something done, and I need it done quick, and I need it done good and right. Okay. So what I did was I typed in video editing at the top, and if we scroll down, we get to see how much these freelancers are charging for their video editing services. We also get to see how many people have bought products from them. The first one, they charge under $35, 1,000 and plus people have bought products for them. Now, I know you're thinking $35 isn't a lot of money, but when we click on it, the good thing I like about this is it has a basic package, so you can offer a basic service, a standard service, or a premium service, and each service, it goes up, the prices go up. You see how it jumps up from the basic $28.50 to $142.50. Yeah, that was a big jump. But you also get to see what it includes as well. For the $28.50, they offer less footage, up to 1 minute running time. So they're not about to be recording 5 minutes worth of content for $28. They're only editing 60 seconds worth of content. Now the standard, they offer up to 3 minutes worth of content for $142. Who doesn't want to make $142 to edit 3 minutes worth of content that AI can edit for you? I'm just, look, I'm just a messenger. Now the premium package is $256.50 for up to 5 minutes of content. Now y'all, these people on here making money. Don't let them outwork you. Don't let them outwork you. Don't let them do it in 2025. Easy side hustle for you to do in 2025. And the fourth way to make money online is social media. Now, social media is broad, but it's also different than the other 3 ways that I've discussed. Now, social media actually pays. These platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Threads, Snapchat, Y'all, they are paying you to post. Literally, you can get paid to post. They just want to see your engagement. If your engagement is high, you earn money. And it doesn't even need to be high, but the higher your engagement is, the more money you're going to make. You can make money on these social media platforms by signing up for their challenges, signing up for their bonuses. When you meet the requirements on all of these social media platforms, you're automatically eligible to start making money. If you do all 4 of these things that I've discussed in this video, digital products, content creation, video editing, and social media, you will make so much money in 2025. I hope this video gave you some motivation. If you are new to all of this, don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. I mean, your life could change in a matter of months. Post what you love to do, what you're good at, and what you enjoy doing online. And if you stay consistent and use the tips that I've given you in this video, I promise you something good will come of it. I hope this video provided value, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on to get the latest tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. See you in my next video. Bye.